Calculate your tuition fees according to Sciences Po's calculation rules. At Sciences Po, the amount of tuition fees is set according to your parents' tax residence. If your parents' tax residence is outside the European Economic Area, tuition fees will be set at the maximum amount of the bachelor or the master scale. If your parents' tax residence is inside the European Economic Area, Sciences Po allows you to benefit from a sliding scale by calculating the amount of your tuition according to your parents' income. Calculating your tuition fees is essential to successfully completing your administrative registration. Here are some rules to follow. As an example, we will take a French tax return. However, even if the tax returns are not identical, the method is similar for all European Economic Area countries. Make the sum of all income received by the household. You must take the amounts before deductions and taxes. You will then have to select the number of units that makes up the household according to this rule. One adult counts for one part, and one dependent child counts for half a part. For example, a household of 2 adults and 3 children will give us 3.5 parts. When you register online, the system will help you calculate the amount of your tuition if you enter the correct amounts and the right number of parts. All calculations are verified by the administrative team when processing your registration. Therefore, should a mistake occur, we will contact you to indicate the correct calculation and amounts. For other European Economic Area residents, you can consult the list of documents to be provided for calculating your tuition in the calculator area. To find out more about the calculation method, go to the website where the calculation rules are detailed and a simulator allows you to estimate the amount of your tuition fees. To sum up, if you are a French tax resident or member of the European Economic Area, you can benefit from a calculation based on the income of your parents divided by the number of parts in your household. If you are a tax resident outside the European Economic Area, the maximum amount of your scale is applied. If you are a dual degree student, please refer to your academic programme to find out more about your tuition fees. If you are enrolled on a 1-year master programme, you are not concerned by tuition calculation because fixed fees apply. For more information about tuition fees, visit our website. If you are a gap year student, you must register in the normal way and choose the payment method. Once your registration is complete, divide the tuition amount by 4 and add the additional medical expenses to have the amount to be paid. If your gap year is split over 2 consecutive academic years, you must apply the same rule, but only to the semester concerned by the gap year. If you have any questions regarding the calculation, you can also contact the Administrative Registration Office team using the online form.